Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss the metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is a biological process in which immature form of an animal's physical develops after birth or hatching in two or more distinct stages. There are 5 types of metamorphosis, but I only focus in complete metamorphosis and incomplete metamorphosis. Complete metamorphosis refers to a type of insect development whose egg, larva, pupa, and adult stages differ greatly in morphology. It consists of 4 stages, which is egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Incomplete metamorphosis refers to a type of insect development whereas gradual change occurs in the insect during the development from egg to adult. It consists of 3 stages: egg, nymph, and adult. As you can see in the picture, it is the life cycle of the incomplete metamorphosis. There are difference between incomplete and complete metamorphosis. Complete metamorphosis consists of a very active, ravenously eating larva and inactive pupa, whereas incomplete metamorphosis consists of a nymph which resembles a miniature adult. Complete metamorphosis occur in wasps, ants, flies, while incomplete metamorphosis occurs in the termites, flying mantis, and cockroach. For more ideas and knowledge about the metamorphosis, please watch the video that I prepared so we can know further about the metamorphosis.
Metamorphosis sounds familiar. All livings undergone growth and changes through their life as what life cycle is all about. In the science of life, the striking change of form or structure in an individual after hatching or birth is what we call metamorphosis. So in this video, we will distinguish between complete and incomplete metamorphosis. Some animals don't look like their parents as they grow. They completely change. This is called metamorphosis. These physical changes, as well as those involving growth and differentiation, are accompanied by alterations of the organism's physiology, biochemistry, and behavior. Insects and amphibians are animals that go through metamorphosis. Well, among the most dramatic and thoroughly studied examples of metamorphosis are the insects. Why? Because development is not the same in all insects, and it is convenient to group them into major categories according to the pattern of structural changes. Number 1. Complete metamorphosis. During a complete metamorphosis, an animal will go through 4 different stages in its life cycle. Example, a ladybug. The first stage is eggs. An adult ladybug lays eggs on a leaf. Then, followed by the second stage, larva. A ladybug larva hatches from each egg. The larva looks different from the adult. Then, the third stage is what we call pupa. The larva becomes a pupa. During this stage, it doesn't move as it slowly changes to an adult. And finally, the grown adult. The adult ladybug emerges from the pupa. The adult can fly and reproduce, and that commences our life cycle of a ladybug. To recapitulate the 4 stages, you have to remember the eggs, larva, pupa, and adult. Number 2. Incomplete metamorphosis. Some insects like dragonflies, grasshoppers, and cicadas go through an incomplete metamorphosis. After hatching, these insects will look like their parents. They will go through changes as they grow, but the way that they look will not change much. Why? Because the development during an incomplete metamorphosis An animal will go through three different stages in its life cycle. Example, the grasshopper. The first